Oh, what's going on? I'm out here with the 5T again. I put a smaller gear on it and it did away with all my cogging so far, guys, from what I can tell. I ain't drove it really yet, but yep, no cogging. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Typical fashion though, we're driving without a body. It's really nothing new for me, honestly. That's normal Kenny, but it's kind of scary at this thing. She's got plenty of spunk now. I had to cut off the motor to a 22. Whoa. What? Amazing. Oh no, body. Uh-oh. We're back out here. No body though. Yes. Oh no. What broke on you, buddy? Broke a steering link. Daggone it. I got one at the house. Titanium steering link broke on that bad tumble. That's all that was too, guys. A bad flip. That wasn't... Beautiful, that's what happens. Perfect downslope. Downsloped it, boys. Rough landing. Rough landing. Look at the 5T stand wheelies. Ah, drive shaft come out. I can hear it from here. No, shit. Lost power as soon as it hit the ramp.
I was like, man, I hope you jumped that dirt pile.
Yeah, it lost power. That sucked. Oh well, it's tough. Where's on? No! That was awesome right there, dude. I bet you I can nail backflip with this thing. Oh, dry shaft's out. I heard it. Oh, I wish that dry shaft quit coming out. I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. I'm tired of putting it back in, but if you see it, she's a beast. I don't know what the drive shaft deal is. I think it's because my bulkhead's separating in the front, allowing it to flex further than it should because the whole top plate's not connected. As you see, the bolts are ripped out the bulkhead. It lets it flex more than it should, allowing it to keep out, kicking them out. These could be replaced too. We'll get them fixed, get them back together, get her back out here, but I'm tired of playing with her today, so if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. If you guys ain't subscribed, if you wouldn't mind doing so ever so kindly. I hope that footage is getting caught. That camera's kind of bent down there a little bit. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed, please do so. And yeah, we'll be back out for way more of this because I'm having a whole lot of fun out here. Peace out till the next one, y'all.